Available now at RV Depot Supercenter is this 2013 Itasca Ellipse 42QD, a Class A diesel pusher that was designed for full-time comfort, high-end finishes, and long-haul travel in style. At just over 42 feet in length, this coach immediately commands attention. Powered by a Cummins diesel engine and built on the Freightliner Maxum chassis, the Ellipse delivers both performance and stability. Step inside and the first thing you notice is the wide walkways, clear sightlines, and a seamless flow from front to back. The coach features multiple large slide-outs, which dramatically expand the interior living space once you're parked. Up front, the cockpit area features plush captain's chairs, a dashboard that's clean and functional, and excellent visibility through that large front windshield. Above is a full complement of storage cabinets for all your road traveling necessities. In the main living area, you'll find a thoughtfully arranged seating configuration, positioned perfectly for viewing the main entertainment center. Next is a well-appointed galley with solid surface countertops and plenty of prep space. You've got a full complement of stainless appliances, and across the room, a residential side-by-side refrigerator. That means more storage and the ability to carry real groceries for extended trips. The cabinetry throughout is high quality, with ample storage for cookware, utensils, and pantry items. Moving slightly back, we come to the dining area, which features an extendable dining table with chairs. Next is the mid-coach half bath. The finishes here continue the luxury theme: solid countertops, quality fixtures, and plenty of storage for toiletries and essentials. Continuing into the rear of the coach, we arrive at the master bedroom. At the center is a king-size bed, and you'll find multiple wardrobes, drawer space, and a center TV location along the opposite wall. Finally, we have the rear master bathroom. You'll find a large vanity with sink and plenty of storage, both above and below. There's a washer-dryer closet on the right. For anyone considering full-time travel, this is a major quality-of-life upgrade. There's also a large step-in shower with textured glass doors and skylight. The layout isn't just about fitting features into a space, it's about creating a livable environment. Whether you're parked for a weekend or living in it full-time, this coach adapts to your needs.